Doing people random here. So out of this box it's going to head out the shop. Now we're going to go over this D&L, which is a Dominion lock company. I'm not sure really where they're based out of. This is one that I pulled out of a door that was going to the junkyard on the job site. So we'll pop her open and turn it into a challenge lock. Probably just going to leave that green right on there. I might put out there and try to get those horns inside there. Now this one feels like a cast aluminum core and body, so they tend to feel the feedback's definitely different. Let me get an eye on that and see what we're going to do. If I can get a bottom of the keyway on this so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. And then what are we going to use for a pick? But a hook should do that. Wouldn't be too fat, would it? No, I don't think so. I don't like the feel of that in there. We're going to switch to, sorry, move that up a little bit. We're going to switch to the Sparrows one. This feels like a little restricted movement. Let me reset on that. Like a 5-pin. Pin 2 kind of wants to go. Let's do that again. Definitely odd feedback. You do a lot more tension on this thing, trying to get that core over there. There's 1, 2. Pin 4. Let's pin 2. Almost think it's pin 3 here. Two and 3. Click out of 4. Well, there we are. Cool. Yeah, definitely really odd picking a lock that doesn't have brass in it, or even steel. With this cast aluminum, the feedback's weird, and it's not as smooth. I don't have a key. Oh, son of a bitch! Let's do that again. Sorry, guys. Just when you think you got it. You do something stupid, like turn the lock the wrong way. So let's see if I can get it just as quick. So it was definitely a tensioning issue. I couldn't do it the first time. Okay. So 1's doing nothing. 2, was it pin 3? Is it going to be pin 3 again? Pin 2, pin 1, pin 1 give me 2 clicks, It makes sense. It feels different this time. I'll just pin 2, and I got a slight false set on that one. There we are. I almost felt like there was some kind of like serrated pins in there. Okay. Mental note, do not spin that to get that out. That was funny. Come on out for me. A long time since you've been out. So let's get a pinning tray. We'll do this once. A little tilt down here. And my follower. Maybe this one a lot lately. So, guessing by where those pins are, I'm going to turn this just a little bit so that will line up with that, so I don't jam the pin in. And we will slide that over. It's a 5-pinner. Looks like 4 and 5 are pretty close to the shear line, but 1, 2, and 3 needed a lot of lifting. 1, 2, 3. Whoop. You're going there. 4, 5. And we'll see what's inside the Bible. Whoa. Still a good amount of spring tension on that. There's some serious oxidization in there. Which is probably what the crunching was. Yeah, and the oxides went down, so... No, they would have went up because the brass on the copper oxidizing over the years. So I got that wrong. That goes like that. My springs, they're all weather beaten. I'll try to get this. Oh, damn it. Did the same thing on that one too. Yeah, it goes up. So really no serrations that I could see. Just a lot of gunk and oxides built up on the pins and the springs. But it's for sure this aluminum cast core is odd to pick against, and having all the junk and everything inside here from the years of use. You can see the lines on here. I might just not even clean this, just to make it that much more difficult. I'll stick some new pins in, 6 new springs, and maybe do the odd mod to that, but yeah, cool. That's what's inside the old DL, and thanks for watching me open this sucker twice. And thanks for all my subscribers who subscribed lately, and if you haven't had a chance to, click the button on the bottom, and take care and support your local locksmith.